Syncretism is a noun that refers to the blending, merging, or reconciliation of different beliefs, practices, or cultural elements into a new, unified system. Most commonly seen in religious or philosophical contexts, syncretism is the process by which various traditions, rituals, or ideologies combine to form a new tradition or understanding, so it often helps to bridge differences and create common ground between diverse perspectives. Origins of syncretism. The word syncretism comes from the Greek Syncretismos, which referred to the alliance or union of Cretan communities despite their differences. It was later adopted to describe the merging of religions, philosophies, or cultural practices. Over centuries, syncretism became a concept in sociology, anthropology, and theology, emphasizing the cultural fusion that arises when different systems interact and influence each other. How to use syncretism. Syncretism is often used in discussions of religion, culture, and philosophy, where it describes the blending of elements from multiple traditions. For example, many African and indigenous religious practices have combined with Christian or Islamic beliefs to form syncretic religions. The word is also used to describe hybrid cultural practices, artistic expressions, or social movements that incorporate diverse influences. Example sentences: the festival was a beautiful display of syncretism, combining elements of both indigenous and Christian traditions. His artwork is a form of cultural syncretism, merging Eastern spiritual themes with Western artistic techniques. Similar words: hybridization, the process of combining different elements to create something new. Amalgamation, the merging or combination of various entities into a single form. Fusion, blending or combining different elements, often used in artistic or culinary contexts. In essence, syncretism captures the creative blending of different beliefs, practices, or cultures into a cohesive, new form. It speaks to the adaptability and inclusivity within human traditions and the ways we find harmony in diversity. Subscribe.